how to make someone admin in your Roblox group. So this is very easy. The first thing that we'll need to do is load up Roblox. And then here from the left, we'll just click on this menu icon and select the section for groups. Now right here, find the group which you own. So for example, this is my group that I've created. And then once we have the group loaded, click on the three dots here in the top right and select configure group. Now right here, we will click on members from the left hand side. So this is me, and again, this is me, my other account. But what we have to do to make them admin is just click on this drop down menu and choose the option for admin. Now we will have successfully updated the users row, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.